Hey guys, so clearly I'm not here today, so I just wanted to give you my helpful hints for your homework tonight. The first thing I wanted to do was to point out your coordinate plane notes that we've already taken. These will help you for your homework tonight, specifically kind of our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kind of pieces of information from that coordinate plane. You will need those 7 locations for your homework. So, in a little bit, you will be getting your 6.5 Practice A homework assignment. So, a couple things I want to point out for you. If you read the directions, these helpful hints are obvious. Okay? Make sure when you are doing the first 10 problems, okay, you should always write your ordered pair inside parentheses with a comma. Okay, and then your X and then your Y. Okay, so make sure you use parentheses. Make sure you write them appropriately. Find point A, which is right here. What would be the ordered pair for point A? Sorry, you couldn't see that. So what would be that ordered pair? Do that for everything else. Then for the next 8 problems, okay, 11 through 18, it says plot the ordered pair in a coordinate plane. Describe the location of the point. So you need to do these 2 things in order to get full credit for these problems. So they told us K at 5, 2. So you are going to flip your paper over where I've given you a coordinate plane. Okay, if it's K 5, 2, double check. Yep, okay. I'm going to start at my origin. I'm going to move to the right 5 or to positive 5 and then up 2. I would put my dot, and then you need to make sure you label your dot. Okay, so I put a little letter K right next to that point because that's what point this was. So that's step 1. Plot the point, make sure you label it. Then you need to look and go, hey, where's that located? Okay, hopefully you guys can all recognize that this part up here is quadrant 1. So I'm going to flip my paper back over. And you could put Q1 for quadrant 1. You could put your Roman numeral 1. But make sure you show me that location right here. Now, if you missed it, I did just give you a free answer. So hopefully you can remember that and put it on your homework. Okay? Make sure you plot the point, label it, then write where it is located. Those locations is what I was just talking about in your notes right here. Okay? It could be one of our quadrants. It could be our y-axis or our x-axis. It also just might, maybe, I don't know, be our origin. Those are the 7 locations you can pick from. Okay? That is for problems 11 through 18. After that, we have a describe and correct. Okay, make sure you read through the problem they gave you, describe what the problem was, and then correct the problem. After that, tell whether the statement is sometimes, always, or never true. That is only for 20 through 22 that you actually need to answer that. Read each statement, think it through, maybe create some ordered pairs or some coordinates and test it out. Okay, is the y coordinate of a point in quadrant 2 always, sometimes, or never positive? That's what I want you to think about. Now, for number 23, okay, this is a little bit trickier problem, but it's not as hard as we think. They just give you the information first. They tell you your house is located at 0, 0. It is not multiple choice. Please don't circle one of these and assume it's multiple choice. That makes me bang my head against the wall because you need to read each one, and you'll notice they are a question. So, to get from your house to school, you walk 2 blocks east and 1 block south. What ordered pair corresponds to the location of your school? Once again, you can use this coordinate plane back here, maybe label that your house is at 0, 0. Then you need to think about, hey, which direction is north, which is south, west, and east? To help you remember this, it might be good to copy this down on your paper. Let's make a little legend here. You've probably seen this on a map before, and this is north, south, west, and east. Okay, I'll have that written up on the board, or maybe the sub can write that up on the board to help you remember. For 23 here, you're going to make sure you need to make sure you know which direction is which, so that as you are moving, you can write some new ordered pairs. Okay, do your best. Forget the rest. Please attempt and try and do every single question. This will be a graded assignment. I do want it done for tomorrow. You're going to have a fair amount of time to work on it in class today, so hopefully you finish in class today because you also have a graffiti. Now, we've done a little bit of these, but if you remember, I did not collect and grade them. I will be collecting and grading this one. This is a little outdoor ed themed graffiti, so make sure you are very careful where you put your points, and as a reminder, where it says stop, that means do not connect points on each side of those, okay? So you'd start off connecting all of these points, and then you'd stop, okay? And then you'd start again from here, okay? Make as straight of lines as possible. You can use a ruler if you have one, okay, but it's not completely necessary. Just keep it neat. Do it in pencil. You will not be getting multiple copies of this, so please just do your best, okay? Use pencil. If you make a mistake, you can always erase it, okay? That's all I have for you today. Make sure you are working hard, okay? You have a good amount of time, but these are 2 assignments, so make sure you work. Make sure you get them done. They will be collected and graded, both of them. Thanks, guys. Hope you had a good day. Talk to you later.